How's it going, everybody? My name is Johnathan, and I'm here with my team. I have Jack, Nico, and Jen, and we are very excited to pitch our new idea on a very exciting new market. So may we introduce to you the Country Club Carry-On. Our carry-on combines 3 sports of golf, tennis, and pickleball to create a new multifunctioning bag that offers convenience to the users. And you might be asking yourselves how we came up with this concept. Well, we looked at your audience. Lululemon, the people that buy Lululemon are active. They're getting out, they're staying active. They're playing sports such as they're running, they're doing yoga, playing all sorts of sports, and especially golf, tennis, and pickleball. And we know this through your extensive line of golf and tennis apparel you already have in the market. We also took a look at the Lululemon mission, creating components for people to live longer, healthier, and more fun lives, which is exactly what our bag does. As we say, it carries your ambitions. And especially, we take a wide look at the term components. Lululemon has a multitude of different things they offer to the market. They have apparel, accessories, all sorts of accessories, bags, which we feel like our product can fit just right in. Convenient, durable, and ergonomic. Our multifunctional bag offers adjustable and removable straps, detachable tennis bag, and a multitude of well-organized compartments, including a place to store your golf clubs, tennis rackets, pickleball rackets, sports balls, tees, etc., you name it. It is made out of recycled polyester, nylon, and 100% cotton, and this bag features 3 of your favorite Lululemon colors: poolside, gray eucalyptus, and white. So what we'll be talking about today, we intend to answer 4 main questions for you folks today. Who is our audience? What does this new market look like? And how attainable are our goals? And finally, what kind of success does this bring? And now I will hand it off to Jen, who will be talking about more in depth on the audience and the demographic of Lululemon.
Thank you, John. I'm very excited to be here talking to you all today. So it all starts with the consumers. Lululemon has done a very great job in developing a highly devoted customer base that loves to be part of a shared community. They've been so loyal that they've earned themselves the name of the Lulu Heads. These Lulu Heads are very active, young, vibrant individuals who have traditionally been dominantly women, but we've seen increasing growth in the number of male customers. And this is because not only did they start with doing yoga and running, but we've been able to grow into so many different sports, like John said, pickleball, tennis, golf, everyday activities that people will wear Lululemon and use Lululemon's accessories. And this all goes back to the mission statement of having a balanced lifestyle. Like I said, an increasing number of men have joined the consumer base, but not only is it about gender, it's also expanded the age range of Lululemon customers. So traditionally, there were 18 to 34-year-olds who consisted of these Lulu Heads. But with our new accessories, like this bag, we could expand to the older generation, which would be 40s, 50s, 60s, and as well as the younger generations who also participate in these activities, teenagers, 20-year-olds. And overall, this sustains Lululemon's loyal customer base and expands the customer base to allow everyone to be a Lulu Head. And I know I'm a Lulu Head because I can't even begin to speak on how much money I've spent on Lululemon, but I'm now going to turn it over to Jack, who will talk more about the financial analysis.
All right. Thank you, Jen. I'm super excited today to talk about the huge profitability opportunities that we have here. So because of the Lululemon brand recognition and the premium quality and our own anecdotal market research, we believe that we can price this bag at $285, and that with a cost of $85, we'd be having a gross profit margin of around 71%, which is incredibly substantial. In fact, 13% more than what Lululemon currently operates at. But I do want to quickly sidestep and just take a look at, where Lululemon has traditionally found success in the previous years. And that, of course, is the athleisure apparel market. It's a very big market, very fast growing. And, you walk into a Lululemon store and you see lines and lines of clothes. That's what they're known for. The problem that we've noticed through our research is that although the revenue that Lululemon is generating is still growing, the rate at which they're attaining this revenue is actually falling. So in 2021, the yearly increase in annual revenue was 42%, and then it dropped to actually below 19% in 2023. So this prompted us to, look at other markets and say, where else is Lululemon affiliated and where else do they have a foothold so we can really revitalize these sales. And what we figured is we'd look towards the fashion accessory market. And more specifically, what we really wanted to do was find a sort of niche market that is very fragmented, that we could really take advantage of the growth opportunity. And not only, as Jen said, find new customers, but also take advantage of the Lulu heads that we know are loving these products and buying them and, really increasing our revenue per customer. So we went for the sports backpack market, the more niche category of the fashion accessories, and that's how the CC carry-on was born. All right, so let's talk about the revenue. Our estimates say that we think Lululemon can achieve 10% of the market share. We feel that's very reasonable as, it will put us on par with competitors like North Face and Under Armour who are in the space, although we would be a step below Nike and Adidas, which we feel is a fair positioning for the Lululemon brand. So with this 10% extra, Lululemon would be experiencing $500 million in additional annual revenue and alongside $350 million in additional annual gross profit because of the 71% margin that we discussed. So this is huge, $500 million. There's a lot of opportunity here. And I think this slide speaks for itself. We're talking over 80% ROI. We're driving profits, we're driving growth, and we're effectively managing our risk. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it over to Nico, who's going to talk more about the brand and our competitors.
Thank you so much, Jack. Do you believe, does Lululemon stand on top of our competitors? And I believe so, and here's why. Number one, our product is high quality. Lululemon is well known for their high quality products, and our bag across the Country Club carry-on will be made of all of the high quality products that Lululemon uses. It's very fashionable, which is incredibly important. You want to look stylish, you want to look cool at a country club. And then also the most important part, it's convenient. And why it's convenient? It's because it's a multifunctional bag. Our competitors like Nike, Wilson, Adidas, and Puma, all their bags are just for one sport, while ours is for multiple. And now breaking down the stigma. As Jen had mentioned earlier with demographics, we'll bring in more male customers with this product. We will increase the age range, which means we'll bring in seniors and we'll bring in children. And then we also will market for sponsors like Min Woo Lee, who is a professional golfer. And now I'm going to turn the stage over to John.
Wow, look at that, folks. A lot of important information here to digest. We have Jen talking about the Lulu heads and the audience and the demographic of Lululemon. We had Jack breaking down the profitability, $500 million in revenue. Huge, absolutely huge. We have Nico explaining breaking the stigma, how we are going to grow the brand in demographics and breaking the stigma of Lululemon being a mostly women brand. Thank you guys so much, and we are opening the floor for questions.
Awesome, thank you.